You can scan QR codes with your iPad. You can use the iPad's camera or the code scanner. This video will cover both options. To scan a QR code with your iPad's camera, open the Camera app. Position the iPad so that the QR code appears on screen. Tap the notification that appears on the screen when the iPad recognizes the QR code. To use the code scanner, go to Settings and tap on Control Center. Tap the plus icon next to Code Scanner. Now, access the Control Center by swiping from the top right corner of the screen. Tap Code Scanner and position the iPad so that the QR code appears on screen.